Hey everyone, welcome back to Ideaplex. We've conquered store setup, mastered product listings, and attracted new customers with Facebook ads. But there's more to the story. In this exciting part 5, we're diving deep into the world of Facebook engagement ads. Get ready to learn how to create Facebook ads that go beyond just attracting visitors. We'll show you how to spark conversations, build a loyal community, and ultimately drive sales through engagement. By the end of this video, you'll be able to craft engaging Facebook ads that turn passive viewers into active fans of your Shopify store. You're going to learn everything. You can create your own page on Instagram, start posting some videos. What happens is that some orders will come to you from that. Make a good page of yours and post regular videos on it. If you post daily on a page, then it will be good for you. And today we are going to talk about what is the engagement ads and how will it be arranged. Either you can generate people's leads here. People can message you through direct messenger, Instagram, WhatsApp. We are going to create our own manual engagement campaign here by focusing on the simple engagement of someone posting a video. Because brother, if you make it manually, then everything will be according to you can customize here. Okay, so here you will see the name of your campaign in detail after collecting any can. You people are the ones who understand in detail here according to your name, brother. What is your ad sets? The name of my ad set, suppose XYZ. They're okay here. And also you can see many more options here. If you get traffic on your Facebook page, you can increase the traffic on your Facebook page by doing engagement ads. Either you will have a lookup, you will not have a site. We are not going to think about it now. And we have a website. You can directly engage people on your website there. Currently, you can get engagement directly here. You can apply ways of communication. People message and their reply gets responded to. So the engagement is the best. At present, if you have a website here, then I am telling you this to learn. If you have a website, then you can set up ads here and it will be a very good special ad. If you try your best, the best will be there. It would be best if you want people to call you, then you can select the call option here. People here, more message me here. People can do everything here by messaging there. If you have your own shop, people on our Instagram there, you have our Instagram page on WhatsApp, then you can use this method to send the message and then send it simply. Click message P. Just select it. It will be better to understand, so please send a message to us through message, which means some people can read it in conclusion. You can click there and message. It will be more correct for you to have more simple proper click here. You can make a page for your store there, some posts. Please post it there so that an ad can be placed professionally. You can connect your message, you can connect your Instagram page here, you can simply connect your WhatsApp there, you can connect WhatsApp and you will have a proper Facebook page directly by creating the page. WhatsApp us and we will connect there. So simple you have. People who want can message me here. Then you can do all this to learn digital marketing by connecting Instagram. This will ensure that a lot of good messages will be added and good things will be taken away. Speaking simply about performance, the maximized number of conversions is very good at staying clicked. Here and on bid control, bid means like there is 1 rupee bid in 2, there is 1 rupee in 3, there is 1 rupee in 3, there is 1 rupee bid in 4, there is 1 in 10. So brother, you leave it. Brother, no matter how much you go, everyone should give you their accordings to you there. Whatever the Facebook person suggests, check according to yours. The budget is our own, 800 and 100 and 100,000. Here the budget has to be given and all this. So I want to give you a little extra learning and a little benefit for you. Brother, this is a lot. You will learn how to do budget. In a simple way here, when will your ad start? When will your ad end here? Then we are here according to you. You can also set up this here. the start date of your ad till when do you want to place the ad, from when to how long will you be here and here. You have to choose India in the location because you are placing ads inside India. By focusing on the original audience, we have to create a new original audience here. At present, whenever sales classes will be held for salespeople, we will learn how to target people based on their interests. And in the future, remember to keep it as per your product, whatever your product is. According to this, you have to put forward whatever your product is. Brother, if we look at your product from this onwards, then you have to keep doing it like this here. If you want to show your ad in chatter, do and gender, brother. If you want to show your main, then select it in. If you want to show your ad in common. If yes, then select it. If you want, brother, whatever is our ad, see both, select it on all. And how is the detailed targeting? How we will target people by looking at the interest, behavior and geographic. We will learn this when we are doing one last session with the salespeople, so that you will have the peace in your mind, so that if you start putting it there, then see this. Everyone will know in all the states you can choose Hindi, English here only, good and simple. You can give details to your audience. Here in advance, plus audience, everyone will learn this from the last one, and a little bit you can come here in pay mode. After entering the mode, you will get many options here. One more option you will get here. You will edit the advantage plus placement. You have to come to manual placement, and the menu will take you to the device option. In this, you have to remove the desktop and switch to mobile phone here because the desktop is more expensive. Change it and leave it here, and in mobile phone you mean good special sales will be generated here in low budget. If you come here, then among the devices you have to leave mobile phone only, and whatever ad you want to put here, brother audience. You can remove network here. If Facebook and Instagram are messengers, you can remove the messenger also. You can place ads on Facebook and Instagram here, and here you have to put it in the feed. Look, you have to put the feed. That comes in this way in your Instagram profile. There is Instagram profile, there is profile feed, there is Facebook marketplace where you can advertise. You can put it in the story anywhere, try it, and it will follow your video in the hashtag. In the file, you can add some feed, remain in the file. Look, you can post this in profile feed. You can post it in Instagram feed also. Simple as it is. This is what you have to do. After that, we move forward to the third page. At present, it would be tempting to read all 3 pages here. You can do everything, especially here in 3 pages, and instead of engagement ad, I write here brother XYZ's. Name is our here P. Well, you can enter something and you have to scroll a little bit here on Facebook. On video and here, if you apply through video, it will be a little better. You will get more needs. And the primary test will be given to you directly from the PD of the chat. Whoever is related to whom, whatever is related to your product, everything will be available to you by going to the chat video. You will write gifts as primary question, and you can chat here, meaning people will message where these people will message. And properly, what is your ad related to? You can put a little description about your ad here, and you put the action button. If you want people to message you, then brother, if you put a button with sell message, i.e. sell message, it will look much more attractive. And if you want, brother, you are getting some form applied, like you don't have to apply for any form. Sometimes you can do that option, but messaging is better, and this simple event that you should make it public. As soon as your ad is public, you will have it. As soon as it is published, as soon as you are active, people will see your ad. Along with this, you also have here if you have selected WhatsApp for this, then people will message you on WhatsApp. If you select your Instagram followers will start sending proper messages there. Then as the messages start coming in, you guys start doing your proper deals. And on the side, you create your own Instagram page, start posting some videos, proper posts. It is possible that your page may get viral. Your page is about to go viral. Once you start getting an audience on Instagram, you can do organic ads there without spending any money on Facebook ads. You will start working there in an organic way. You have it without Facebook ads. If you have created an Instagram page, then you can do whatever you want regarding engagement ads, meaning you can send messages ads here to people on your WhatsApp, Instagram, or you can send people on your Facebook page. You can send people will visit your Facebook page there, so they can do all this in this. And what will happen in the lead is that in the lead, you can directly fill any instant form. There, all the means from people to people. You will see the ad. Everyone will be of the same type, a little bit of everything. There will be a little difference here that you will be able to see people engagement on your website there. Everything will be like this dot there. You can place any ads properly here, whether it's engagement, traffic or sales lead. As soon as your email comes, if you have a shop and you are directly uploading such videos of your products, then message the person who wants to purchase. Then people from there too should see this ad and people should see your video. See, if you message me about purchase, you can do everything like settings directly from there. So thanks for watching this tutorial video, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more e-commerce tutorials from Ideaplex.